Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can create a local user in your Windows operating system. So let's do it. Okay, so search here in the search bar computer management. Okay, computer management and open it. Okay, now the computer management open. You can see here local user and group option here. Okay, so click on local user and group option, and now you can see the user option. Okay, so double click on user option, it will open. Okay, so now we have to create a new user. There are already some users here. Okay, so let's create a new local user. Okay, so right click on it, and you can see new user option. Okay, so click on it, and here you have to give a name, just like I give test name, test. Okay, and password. Okay, here you can see user must change password next login. I don't want this. I and User cannot change the password, and password never expire. Okay, so I'll check this one, password never expire. Okay, and I can create a new user. Let's click on create, and now close it, and you can see we have a new user. Okay, so this user, you can see in the properties, it's a normal user. Okay, so it's a standard user, not a system administrative user. If you want to make this system administrative, you have to apply the permission. Okay, so you have to add this user to administrative groups. Okay, so that's it for today. I have created user test. Okay, so if I go here, and you can see test user. Okay, okay, that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.